I started in 1982 when we sang on the Clivey Madhu program, and my Guruji was Pandit Ramlal and Mahashri Bharat Das, who played the mandolin. He taught me how to play harmonium. And Clivey Madhu was a radio program. If you guys were in New York in the 80s, in the 70s, it was the only source of our culture and music. And we were the first ones to go on. And luckily for me, I was the first one that actually sang live on the air. And this wasn't the song I sang, but in 97, years later, with my brothers, Dharmendra, Surendra, Devendra, and my dad, Mahashri Bharat and Uncle Kalush, we sang together and we formed a group called Swarangeet years later. Sing along, please. Everybody say Thank you. I would love to be greedy and stay up here all night, but I know there's a long program and I have short time. But I would love to extend my, if you don't mind, extend my time just a few more minutes and do a few lines for you. Is that okay?
Yeah.
I want to say hello to my